Hey friends, welcome back to She Makes 31. I'm Natalia, and in today's video, I am decorating my house for Valentine's Day, and it's gonna be so pretty and pink. Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I posted. It's been about a month since my last video. Life has been pretty crazy. We had the holidays, and then after that we had a little getaway with the boys. We went to Disney World for the first time, and also during that time my oldest sister Angelica was hospitalized. She had the flu and pneumonia, and it turned into like a really bad scenario. She's been in the ICU, and I don't know if you've seen a couple of my posts asking for prayers. I just wanted to say thank you for all of those that have been praying. I do have some good news, is that she finally, 2 or 3 days ago, she finally showed some improvement on her x-rays of her lungs. One of them in particular looked a lot better. And so that was just totally a big answer to prayer, because for the longest time, she hasn't had any improvement. She's been on a ventilator at 100% capacity. And so it's been pretty serious, pretty scary. And I also wanted to share another piece of good news is my friend went down a couple days ago and prayed with her, and she was able to make a decision to follow Jesus. I'm a Christian, and so this has been a prayer that we've been praying for a very long time, and we're just so happy and rejoicing seeing that she's not only my sister, but she's also my sister in Christ now. And that has been really awesome and such a huge answer to prayer for our family. And so I just want to thank you again, and I appreciate you guys and your concerns and your prayers. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have a lot to do here, and I'm loving this whole Valentine's pretty and pink decor. So I started off with my dining room table. I got this really pretty pink Opal House brand table runner from Target, but I decided that I wanted to cover up my table with a tablecloth as well, because the wood is just getting really worn out. And I had this one tablecloth here that you see me ironing that I've had for many years, so I thought it would be a good idea to cover it up. It's not something that I always keep on my table, just because with 3 kids and, you know, messes and homework and crafts and all that stuff, I like to leave it without a tablecloth. But if I have company over, I have this really nice tablecloth on it.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. So the day after I filmed this video, I went to visit my sister, and good news guys, she's doing so much better. She's able to like open her eyes now, and they actually took out her ventilator today, so I was so happy to hear that. She still has like a mask she's got to wear and stuff every 4 hours on and off, but praise the Lord, she's like so much better, and it truly is a miracle. Sometimes we're crashing down. So I got these little heart picks at Walmart. I think they were about 48 cents each, I think. And so I put them on this greenery that I use year round. And I'm just really loving the touches of pink and white that I'm using for Valentine's this year. It just looks so feminine. I love it. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. I have a few of these little tobacco baskets that you see me using here. I just love adding them to the decor. They make for like really good backdrops and adding a little texture. I also have this really cool light bulb. It's a smart light bulb in this little lamp, and so I'm able to change out the colors, and so it matches the decor now. Moving along, I'm here in my kitchen, and I got this sign here at Walmart. Walmart really did a good job this year with Valentine's Day decorations, so if you haven't gone to check them out, I would definitely recommend doing that. And then this little ladder here is from Kirkland's. It was only $12.99, and I had a 25% off coupon. And these towels here are from TJ Maxx, and they were only $6.99 for a pair of 2, or a pair. And I just really love being able to change out the little towels here, maybe put a wreath here. It's just a cute little piece of decor. You're my biscuits and I'm your gravy. Guys, when I saw this sign at Walmart, I like had to get it. I just couldn't pass it up. I think I might actually keep it here year round. I just think it's so cute. And this sign up top is from the Target Bullseye section. Next, I'm going ahead and doing the tiered tray. I love decorating this for every season. And this year I did like just a bunch of like candy because I love the colors that the candy adds. And so I did conversation hearts and Hershey Kisses and M&Ms.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
So we recently reached 16,000 subscribers on this channel and I am just kind of blown away, guys. I just want to say thank you. There's lots of you that joined me here, most of you probably because of the bathroom makeover video, and I've just been so encouraged by all of your sweet comments and your thumbs up and just sharing my videos. It means so much to me and I just want to say thank you. This is helping our family out so much. And it's really just a big blessing. So thank you guys. I love you guys. And if you have any questions or video ideas, just let me know in the comments below.
Together. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment.
And next I'm moving on to the hot cocoa station. I had this set up for Christmas and I am switching it out here for Valentine's Day. My boys love a cup of hot cocoa. And here in Florida, we don't get too many cold days, but we still drink our hot cocoa because we just love chocolate. And who doesn't love chocolate and candy and sugar and all that stuff? It's not really good for you, but you like anyway. So I'm using all these little trinkets that I got either from Target Bullseye or Walmart. And this mug that says Sweetest Mom is one that I got for Mother's Day from Lucas. And so yeah, I just love the way this is all set up.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
I found this tic-tac-toe set at Walmart and Noah is totally into tic-tac-toe lately, so it doubles up as decor and fun. I also have this curio cabinet, which I decorated a little bit. I'm not loving it. I recently did a clean out of it and did my winter village for Christmas there. So now I'm just trying to figure out regular decor for there. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I also love this little letter holder that I have here. It's from Walmart. I ripped some pages out of like a dollar store book and rolled them up so they could look like little love letters. Moving forward to my living room area, I love decorating these two shelves for each season. I just like keeping it new and interesting and changing it out.
I would do without you, yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down.
I love a good deal, guys. I got these candle holders for only $4.99 on clearance at Ross. So definitely check it out. I couldn't believe the price and I just snatched them up really quick.
Everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do.
Next, I'm doing my TV stand. It was super dusty, so I had to clean that off. And I don't know if you've seen previous videos, but we did have a little bit of a change here. We got a new surround sound system for Christmas. I got one for my husband, and so now he's got like a sound bar as opposed to the other kind that we had that was like really big and bulky. And I'm so happy to get rid of it, even though my husband has an emotional attachment to it because he's had it forever. But I just wanted to make more room, and now I have this little extra shelf on the bottom that I can decorate. And I'm also hoping to be able to paint this TV stand. I think I might do white. So let me know what you think about the white. You guys know Noah is my little helper. He loves to help me with things like this. And so he really wanted to spray the cleaner everywhere, and it got all over the wall. But, you know, I'll take any little bit of help I can get. I am so in love with these pink flowers that I got from Joann's. They came in a bouquet, and so I just clipped them into individual flowers, and it really was my inspiration behind all the decor. I love this shade of pink, and I also got that little heart that you saw there at Kirkland's. I just thought it was so pretty. This garland here is from the Bullseye section at Target, and the florals that you'll see me doing here are from Walmart.
Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
I'm still trying to figure out what to put in this space now, but for now I'm putting in these stack of books that I got at Dollar Tree. They were $1 each, and I just took the covers off of them and left them like blank, so they just look like generic books, but I like that. It helps to just fill in the space. I wrapped a little heart garland around them, and that's what I'm doing for now.
I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah.
And next is one of my most favorite things to do, which is to make the couch. Just like I make my bed, I make the couch. And of course, with kids, I find all sorts of crazy things under the couch cushions, like Pokemon cards and PVC pipes, apparently. I mean, I just need to find some money under these couch cushions, man. Anyway, I have these pillow covers that I used for Christmas, and I thought they were pretty neutral. The ivory color was perfect, and I got the blush pink pillows from Walmart. They were only $4.97, and I love them. I have this garland here. It has little XOXOs on them, and that's from the Target Bullseye section. And the little galvanized hearts that you see me put on are from Walmart. And you know, I have to finish off with vacuum lines, of course. I love vacuuming this rug because I feel like every time that I do, it looks brand new again. Fluffing it up makes it look like, I don't know, it's very picturesque to me. But yeah, I'm just vacuuming this up and finishing up here. And then I'm going to reveal to you guys how everything looks at the end. I love it, and I would love to hear what you guys think.
Even in my wildest dreams.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to decorate. And again, I want to say thank you for those that have been praying for my sister. And I also wanted to let you guys know that the next video I'm posting will be about our day at Magic Kingdom. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.